Hello and good morning. Thank you for joining me as I take my weather observation here in our neighborhood, Lorne Park, Lakeshore, Mississauga, Ontario, Canada. It's Wednesday, January 31st, 2024, last day of the month. It's 8:45 in the morning, overcast skies at 8 octaves, temperature it's above freezing at plus 0.7 degrees Celsius, and the pressure is steady at 1018.2 millibars, and the air quality reading is at 23.5 microgram per cubic meter for fine particulate matter at 2.5 microns. Precipitation wise, we actually got trace of snow from yesterday's flurries. So that will be entered in the CoCoRaHS.org website under station ID CANWARN646. Well, from yesterday's video, I mentioned that during this time of the year, we typically get our coldest part of the winter season here in the lower Great Lakes. And you're probably wondering, how do you measure temperature? Well, let me show you. You might have noticed that I have this weather station, and the temperature is actually measured by a sensor called thermometer. And in this case, the thermometer is stored or housed in a radiation shield. And the way it's housed in a radiation shield is to minimize the effects of radiation impacting the temperature reading. So in this case, in my weather station, not only it's housed in a radiation shield, but it's also fan aspirated, meaning there's a fan inside the shield over here that draws in fresh air into the thermometer. Another standard as well that typically we do to make sure that the temperature can be compared to other stations is the thermometer should be housed not only in a radiation shield or in a Stevens screen, but also should be in a standard height of about 1.5 meters above the ground, and it should be far away enough from artificial sources of heat. And we're fortunate enough that we have about half an acre in our property that I can put my weather station far away from any artificial sources of heat. So now you know. Well, friends, wherever you are, remember that the sun is always there and the clouds shall eventually pass. Have an awesome day. See you again tomorrow. Take care.